So the programme we're going to be running is a Spring School in Monetary and Financial Stability Analysis, aimed at professionals working in central banks and financial regulation authorities. I think the course will also be valuable for doctoral students in economics and finance who are contemplating a career in central banking. The next generation of central bankers need to be as comfortably versed in the language of fintech and climate finance as they are in monetary and financial stability policy. I think attendees on this course will gain the wide lens vision required to join the dots between these areas and see how they interact. They'll also gain exposure to new data analytic techniques that, in time, I think will transform the way central banks understand their economies. So the programme for the course is broad and we'll be devoting each day to a different topic. Amongst the issues we'll be discussing are how should central banks unwind their quantitative easing programmes, how effective are negative interest rates, should central banks be introducing a central bank digital currency, and what implications would that have for the financial system? And what do central bankers need to know about climate finance and fintech more generally? The format for the Spring School will be a mixture of lectures given by business school faculty, showcasing the latest research thinking on these questions. We'll also have hands-on computer-based exercises and presentations by participants. Three things I think participants will gain from attending the course. First is an appreciation of the structural changes happening in the economy that will shape central bank policy in the years ahead. Second will be some first-hand experience using cutting-edge data analytic techniques for forecasting and for understanding the economy. And third is a network of invaluable contacts that I think will prove really useful for participants throughout their careers.